Howdy, y'all. You know, me and Ladybug, we was just here mulling over what this plant might be. Can't put my finger on it. Oh, it's mullein. And you know what, y'all? It's not just a weed. This plant can produce up to 175,000 seeds per plant. It's a great remedy for coughs and respiratory issues. It's one of the first plants that will ever grow in bare soil if the soil's been disturbed or cleared. Mullein is one of the first to start propagating it. And the seeds can lie dormant for 100 years. And also in the Roman times, they would dip the stalks into wax, and it was the first candle wick, I think it was called. Anyways, it's just one of the nice little finds of many on the Holzer McIntyre bike trail. Check it out. We'll see y'all.